darkness, forget those wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom, let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to hold you and to guide you. Then say you love me every waking moment, and turn my head with talk of summertime. Say you need me with you now and always. Promise me that all you say is true. That's all I ask of you. Let me be your shelter, let me be your light. You're safe, nothing can harm you. Your fears are far behind you. All I want is freedom, a world that's warm and bright, and you always beside me, to hold me and to hide me. Then say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you need me with you here, beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. That's all I ask of you. Say the word and I will follow you. Share each day with me, each night, each morning. Say you feel the way I do. That's all I ask of you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. Love me, that's all I ask of you.